Hi, I'm Dave from VDPteam.com. In today's market, competition is fierce, so getting or keeping the attention of your prospects or clients is critical. This is why VDP, or Variable Data Print, has become a key element for many successful sales and marketing teams. VDP, by its nature, is amazingly effective. Tailoring marketing messages directly to the viewer develops a perceived connection that captivates them like no other marketing method. Today we're going to be showing you the web-to-print application that allows our salespeople to generate VDP documents. The system that we built allows them to log into an online catalog, select an item, customize it, and then place their order. Their order is then immediately transmitted and printed in our digital production facility. From web to print, the whole process only takes a few minutes. Let's have a closer look.
Just as a quick background before we get started, the screen that you're looking at right here is a web catalog that we deploy to our printing and fulfillment clients. For better presentation, I'm running this in full screen mode so that you won't see any of the toolbars or URLs, but wanted to be clear that this is illustrating a web application that's running in a standard browser. With that said, let's go ahead and locate our VDP item that we're going to customize and start customizing it. In this customization form, there are 4 input sections and a display section. The idea here is that the user can modify the variables on the left and then update the display on the right to see how the document is changed. This display is a printer's layout of the unfolded piece. When it's done, it will print as 11 by 17 and then be folded down the center. This will be the front cover, this will be the back cover, and this will be the inside spread. Our first section is the service selection area. This is what drives the bulk of the content. For ease of use, we've turned this into a drag and drop list. Whatever service the user drops on top will drive the front cover and the page 2 content. So, for example, if I wanted to promote digital imaging to a prospect, I could drag this on top. There we go. Let's go ahead and update that and we'll see what happened. And we can see that this is digital imaging. Perhaps we don't want to go with digital imaging. We'll try print management and then digital imaging. And there it is. Now we have print management as our feature, print management as our page 2 content. Then we have digital imaging, fulfillment, and mail services respectively on the right. The next section is basic customer information. This info is used inside the content of the document to personalize it to my prospect. First we have the company name, then first name, and then a personalized message. In this case, we'll say that we're pitching to an imaginary company called Main Street Products, and the contact there is named Robert. And this is my personalized message to Robert. And we'll request another update to see how that looks. We can see here that the personalized message is now in here and the red type inside the page 2 content reflects Main Street Products. Now this is a little small, so let's go ahead and request a PDF proof. And we can see over here, here's our message to Robert, and we can see that Main Street Products has been sprinkled throughout the content. We'll close this and move on. And the next section is the customer logo. Adding a prospect's logo to your marketing is a great way to get their attention. Here we're going to add Main Street's logo by selecting the logo link. This is just a simple upload form. We're going to select the logo that we've set aside and upload. And you can see a small copy appear down here. And we'll go ahead and update the example. So now you can see that Main Street's logo appears inside of our document. That's nudged over the personal message and made everything fit nice and neat. The fourth section of the document input form is the sales rep information. In this case, I've logged in as myself, so it's using my information. Any of this is editable just like the rest of the document input. So we could change phone numbers, fax numbers, we could add them, we could change email addresses, whatever we needed to do. This information gets used up here in the contact information on the back page. So we'll go ahead and make another edit here just for fun. And we will update that example. And that information has been updated. The photo is inserted into the document, and it looks like we're all set. At this point, the only thing left to do is submit the document for production. So we're going to go ahead and add this to the cart. And then we will come up here and select our cart. We can see that we have a single item in our cart, a bifold with Main Street Products customization. So we'll continue to check out. And just for the sake of expediency, I'm going to use my own information here. But in a real-world scenario, I'd be filling this out with my prospect's attention, their address for Main Street Products, and then I would continue through, select US Mail and continue, and we will finalize. At this point, the order has been submitted to our digital facility, where the PDF will be printed on our digital press, folded, stuffed in an envelope, and mailed to the prospect. As you can see from our demonstration, variable data print can be a very simple yet powerful tool that can be used to connect with your target audience. If your company is interested in discussing a VDP solution, please give us a call or drop us an email. I'm Dave from VDPteam.com, and thanks for watching.